Vince. Congratulations. Always study hard, be humble, always be a good boy. Growing Kids Learning Center is so proud of you.
Hi Vince, congratulations. From the time na nag-start ka dito sa Growing Kids, I know you have the potentials of being a good student. And sabi nga someday, you will be on top. And ito nga, you have shown despite na bago ka lang dyan sa school nyo na yan, you were able to make it on top. Keep it up, keep it up. Growing Kids will always be proud of you, and just pray hard and continue to be the best that you can. God bless.